the script. The Bloods flipped the script. The DA told you she has no idea what they're going to say because it changes upon the day, who they're talking to, what their agenda is, and who told them what the script is that day. It's not just that when they went to the hospital, Chaz Cobb said, I wasn't there. He said where he was. He said, I drove by, it was at a car wash. I drove by, it was at a car wash. Now, why is that important? Because Tracy Williams, the gentleman that the DA described as being dyslexic, a little mentally challenged, made it through the 12th grade, says the same thing. He not only says, I wasn't there, he says, I went to the car wash. They have the same script. So it's not just that they don't want to talk. It's not just that they are lying. It's not just that they are making up facts. They have talked to each other about what those facts should look like. How else do you know that this is true? Where did these interviews take place of these Bloods? And basically, not everyone here is a Blood, but the key eyewitnesses for the state are Chaz Cobb and Kenny Battle. So, you will find out, as the state has told you, Waka Flocka Flame is a member of the Bloods. He brought Slim Duncan up. He is on top of Slim. So when Detective Quinn wants to interview Chaz Cobb, does he do it at the police station? No. Does he do it in his car where he interviews a lot of folks? No. Does he do it at Chaz Cobb's residence or a friend or family of Chaz Cobb's? No. Does he do it on the street? No. He goes to Waka Flocka Flame's mom's house, and Waka Flocka Flame's mom, in her bedroom, presents Chaz Cobb. And the detective says, well, Chaz, you want to go out in the street? You want to go out in my car? Or stay here? Chaz Cobb can't answer for himself. Waka Flocka Flame's mother answers for him. He's straight here. He's good here. That's not the only person who interviewed at Waka Flocka Flame's mother's house. That's where they interviewed Kenny Battle on February 15th, 2012, basically 2 months after the incident. He doesn't come forward. Finally, he is presented to Detective Quinn by, if Waka Flocka Flame is in the gang, I guess his mom is the godmother. And again, in the godmother's house, they allow Kenny Battle to give his script. The Bloods flipped the script. There are 3 key witnesses in this case, other than Vincent Hardeman. They are Kenny Battle. Obvious bias, Blood, doesn't talk for 2 months, and when he does, it's in the gang member's mom's house.